Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm installing a unit that was sent to me from amandahair. So this is going to be a completely 100% glueless install. I'm not using any type of holding spray. I'm not using any lace glue. It is going on and going to be blended and melted, seamless, wearable, secure, all that without any glue. So let's get started. So first thing first, I put on my little wig caps and I'm going to blend in some bronzer on it because I needed them to blend into my skin a little bit more. So that way we're not going to have any issues when we put the wig on and you can see a bunch of wig cap. Now we're putting on the wig. I usually just start from the front, push the back to the back, if that makes sense. That sounded crazy as I don't know what, but can we already get into the lace because you can see how well it's already blending into my skin and we're not even finished yet. We just got started. So I did bleach the knots off camera and then I let the wig air dry. I put just a little bit of leave-in conditioner to the hair, like the smallest amount. I only did that just so I could brush the hair out and then I let it air dry. So I'm going to do a bust down middle part today. I'm using my rat tail comb to establish that middle part. And we are going to use our hot comb to make sure the roots are nice and flat. And this is a process. It's going to take you a few minutes or so to make sure that you get the roots flat. You're going to have to go over the hair a couple of times before it's as flat as you would like it. Or you can leave it full. It just depends on how you want to wear it. But today, I was making sure that I had flat roots. So I take my scissors and I cut towards the sides of the closure because this is a closure wig. We want to get off that little excess additional lace that we don't need. And then I take my razor because there is additional lace that's on the front. So the wig comes pre-cut, but I felt like there's a little extra lace on there that could go. So that's why I use my razor to make sure that I get all of that off because it's going to help with making the lace blend into your skin without using any holding products. Once I get all of that lace cut off, I move back in with my hot comb to make sure that I get the front of the unit nice and flat as well. And it also pushes the hairs out of your face, makes it look like it's kind of growing straight from your scalp instead of like just falling in the wrong direction. And I'm going to take my little edge pomade stick as well because I want to make sure I get those flyaways out of the way and make sure that they're nice and flat. And it just makes the wig look good. And then the best part I feel like is when I go in with this concealer. Honey, I'm going to get me a nice crisp straight parting space with this concealer. It's also making it more visible. It looks so good. I feel like it just tied the entire wig together. And then I'm going to take a little bit of mousse across the top of the hair in the front, just to make sure that all those little flowery pieces are laying down and out of the way. Now I decided to leave my wig like this. This is like air dried hair, but you can go in with some water or some mousse, whatever curling hair product you want to use to add to it. It's up to you, but I like the more air dry textured curly hair. It looked more natural that way instead of adding a whole bunch of water products to weigh down the hair. It just looked like it was more just in its natural state, and I thought it was absolutely beautiful. It is a nice full texture wig. It has great density and the curls are popping. The hair looks so luscious, even with a little bit of leave-in conditioner spray. Like, it just looks like a very high quality wig. And of course we have to do that little tester there where I show you guys that it is on completely glueless, and blend it into their skin, baby. It couldn't get any easier than that. If you're someone who doesn't want to work with any holding products, any lace products or like that, anything like that, this glueless wig is gonna be for you, girl. So if you are interested in this unit, check out amandahair. I'm gonna have the direct link in my description bar. Thank you to amandahair for sending this unit over. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate y'all, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.